So welcome all of you for the foundation class. Today we are going to see a question paper. This question paper is meant for an exam called NTSC. This is meant for an exam called NTSC. The full form of NTSC is National Talent Search Exam. This used to be conducted for 10th standard students, and for so many years it was conducted for nearly 30-40 years. Now Government of India discontinued it, but still those old papers are there. Let us see whether we are able to solve some of these problems given in that it's a 10th standard level paper. So I thought I will make use of this paper for our discussions. Okay, right. So now we'll go to the class. Questions. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. I'll make it a little bigger. Yeah, okay. Little smaller. Yeah. The first question, 101, no, because I think initially there are some other chapters were there, so some other subject was there. I think it's mental ability or something. Now the 101 question is the sum of the exponents of prime factors in the prime factorization of 1771 is. Now we have to understand the question thoroughly, then we have to answer. So you read the question once or twice, then you will try to understand the question, then probably you can. One minute, I will take a white sheet. Yeah. So the sum of the exponents of prime factors in the prime factorization of 1771 is. What it means is, you have to factorize 1771. You should find what are the prime factors. Factors means the ones which can divide that number. So all those numbers are called factors. For example, if the number is 6, what are the factors of 6? Suppose the number is 6 instead of 1771, the number is 6. What are the factors of 6?
2 and 3.
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3. Isn't it? 1, 2, and 3. Maybe you can, I don't know whether you can include 6 in that. But I think 1,
Yes,
2, and
6 also. 1, 2, 3, and 6.
yeah, 1, 2, 3, and so like that. 1771. What are the factors of 1771? Can you take a sheet of paper and then do it? What is 1771? It is not divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 3, not 4, not 5, not 6, not 7. Just check 7. Yeah, it is divisible by 7. If you divide by 7, what is the remainder you get? I mean, what is the quotient you get?
253.
253. So 253, no, is it is a factor of what? Is it again 7? You can put no, it cannot be 7. 9,
11.
11, yeah, 11. So if you put 11, then it is 223. So the factors are 7, 11, and 23. Suppose you multiply 7 into 11 into 23. What do you get? 7 into 11 into 23, what do you get?
1771.
7 into 11 into 23, you will get 1771. So these are the three factors. What they're asking is, the question is, sum of the exponents of prime factors. It means these factors 7, 11, 23 are prime factors. You have to find the power of this. 7 means what? 7 power 1. 11 means what? 11 power 1. 23 means 23 power 1. So if you add all the powers, 1 plus 1 plus 1, how much you are getting?
3.
3.
3. So 3 is the answer. That is what is asked. So you have to understand the question. Little no, technically they may ask. Suppose we will take some other question. Suppose 38. What are the factors of 38? What are the factors of 38? Prime factors. Prime factors of 38. The factors have to be prime number. That is the meaning.
2 and 19.
2 and 9.
2 and 19. I think both are prime factors. No problem. 2 into 19, 38. So what are the sum of the exponents of these factors? 2 power 1 and 19 power 1. So it is 1 plus 1 equal to 2 is the answer
2.
here. Okay. That is what they are asking. No problem. Very good. Fantastic. We are going to the next question. Can anybody read this? 102. Question 102. I will read. If Tn is the nth term of an AP, then the value of Tn plus 1 minus Tn minus 1 is. AP we have studied, arithmetic progression. The general form of AP is A, comma A plus D, comma A plus 2D, comma A plus 3D, like that it goes. Tnth term, Tn refers to nth term. Tn plus 1 will refer to n plus 1th term. And Tn minus 1 will refer to Tn minus 1th term. So Tn plus 1 minus Tn minus 1 is what? Say,
2D, sir.
2D. Very good. See, the general form of AP is A plus D. Are you able to see this? It's very small. I don't know how to make it big. Are you able to see what I'm writing? Are you able to see? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Very small, huh? How do I make big? I don't know how to make it big. Okay. Then A plus 2D, then A plus 3D, like that. So A is called, A is the first term. D is called the common difference. It is called common difference. What they say is Tn plus 1. Tn, so this A is the first term. A plus D is what term? A plus D?
Second term.
A plus 2D? Third term. A plus 3D? Fourth term.
4.
So if Tn plus 1th term is A plus 3D, let us say Tn plus 1st term is A plus 3D. And Tnth term is what? Is A plus 2D. And Tn minus 1th term will be is A plus D, isn't it? So if T plus 1, Tn plus 1 term is A plus 3D, suppose I keep it like that, then Tnth term is A plus 2D, Tn minus 1 term is A plus D. So now they are asking Tn plus 1 term minus Tn minus 1 term. So it means A plus 3D minus of A plus D, A plus D. So how much you are getting? A plus 3D minus A minus D. So how much you are getting? A plus 3D minus A minus D?
2D.
2D. So 2D is the answer. Are you able to understand all others? Are you able to understand
Yes,
how we
sir.
got 2D?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes. Okay. So let us go.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. If you understood this, okay. It's easy, but I just took some that one. Okay. 103rd question. Can anybody read this? All easy questions, but 10th standard level only, this one. And I will tell you, when NTSC exam was there, National Talent Search exam, it was conducted at 10th standard. and if you clear that exam, they will give scholarship till the year up till your education, you complete education. Suppose you do your 11th and 12th, then you do college for 3 years or 4 years, then you do your PG 2 or 3 years. Till that time, or even after that, if you do some PhD or something, till you complete your education, they will give scholarship. And it used to be some 2,700 per year when I was a student. Now, when they closed that system, it was around 30,000 rupees per year. They used to give 30,000 rupees every year, but as in every year it will go up. I think finally it comes to about 60,000 or something like that. Now that scholarship is not there. Anyway, no problem. Okay, read this question 103. Yeah, one of you. Are you able to?
If x
Yeah.
plus y
If
is
x plus
equal to
y
3,
equal
If x plus y
x,
equal to 3, x square plus y square equal to 5, then xy is. Without touching your pen, you can do this question. You can. Without, just by seeing, just by doing some calculation in your mind, you can do it. Mind में calculate करता है, कर सकता है.
it's 2.
2. How do you get 2?
Option number 3.
How do you get 2?
So x plus y is equal to 3. That means 1 plus 2 is 3 also.
Okay.
And 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So 1 into 2 is equal to 2.
Oh, acha, you
So
got it like
that's
that.
why I answered the
Fantastic.
2.
That's a good way of doing it. That is a street smartness. Okay, normally how do we do it? Any other method? Any other method?
sir, we use identity, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Use identity. Yeah, you tell me how you do it. Yes, correct.
Sir, we use a plus b the whole square
Correct.
identity and
Correct. Instead
substitute
of
the
making one,
values.
you take A and B. A plus B whole square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So A plus B whole square equal to 3 square, that is 9. In that, A square plus B square they have given us 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. That 4 is equal to 2xy. So xy equal to 2. Understood, all of you? Yes, I think it's not difficult. Let's not waste our time in easy questions. This one we will try. Fourth question, can you read? Quick, quick. Somebody read.
The area of the triangle formed by the points bracket minus 2, 0, bracket complete, again bracket 0, comma minus 2, and
Yeah.
bracket
The
2,
points are
comma
minus
0
0,
is.
0 minus 2 and 2 0. You draw in your notebook x-axis, y-axis and put that point where the points come. Put that point. I'm trying to put that point. First point I have put. Second point I have put. Third point I have put. All three. So this is a triangle. You connect all these 3 points. Now I have put everything. So now I have made a triangle. The area of triangle they are asking. How do you find out? What is the, you take the base on the x-axis. What is the base length?
Sir,
Hmm? I think somebody is coming. Let me see. I think somebody is. Yes, yes. So see, when you draw a triangle, minus 2, 0, okay, and then 0 minus 2, okay, and minus 2, 0 will be in the x-axis, 0 minus 2 will be on the y-axis, and 2 comma 0 will be on the x-axis on the other side. If you connect these through these three, like for example, I'll show you in this now. It is like this. So this is a point. Let us say one point is there. One point is there. One point that is minus 2 0. Minus 2 comma 0. And then another point. This is the origin. Let's say this is the origin. 0, 0 comma 0. 0 comma 0 origin. And then another is what? 2 comma 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2 will be 0 comma minus 2 will be in the y-axis at this place. So it will be this place. Here it will be 0 comma 0 comma minus 2. And the third point is 2 comma 0. 2 comma 0 will be again in the y-axis, x-axis. 2 comma 0. So I am taking this line as x-axis, this line, and this line as y-axis. So now the 3 points are, I'm just putting 3 points. Sorry. This is another point. This is the third point. So if you connect like this point, and this point, what will be length of this side? Kitna hai? This length?
4 units, sir.
How
4
much?
units.
4 units. What is this
4
length?
units.
Yeah, 4. Correct. You just say 4. And what is this length?
2.
2. So what is the formula for triangle? Area of triangle is equal to?
Half into base into height.
Yeah,
Into base.
1 by 2. Put in the bracket. Bracket close into base into height. So what into base into height. So base is 4, height is 2. What is the answer? Of
4. 4, sir.
2, that is 2 to cancel. 4 is the answer. So what? So now if you draw this, you can find the answer 4. Is there any other method?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me what method is this? There is one yes method.
Formula method, sir.
Huh?
Half into x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. அதுலயும் போடலாம்.
X1, X2, Y, X3. Where is X3? No X3 here. Okay, there is one more is there. One more this thing. I don't know whether you know this formula. I'm just going to write it. S minus A into S minus B. Have you do you remember this?
Yes,
I
sir.
don't,
Formula, sir.
huh? Yeah, tell me.
Formula.
What?
Heron's formula, sir.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know name of the formula. This is to the power of what? Power of half. This is square root of that. So power of 0.5. So can you find what is S here? S equal to? A plus B plus C by 2. So like that you can find. No, that also, but there will be long method for this question. There will be a long method. But for some other question, it could be one good method. Okay, let's go to this. So anyway, we have found the answer. So let's not waste our time. 4 is the answer. Just by drawing that picture in your mind. Now in the exam, you don't try to draw the picture in the news in the paper. No, that will take time. Draw the picture in the mind. And then you fix up where this point 1, point 2, and point 3. From that, you may be able to get it. Okay. Right. Question 105. Yes. Can you read? Anybody read? 105. Please read.
The area of equilateral triangle is 25 root 3 centimeter square. Then the perimeter is
So what is the formula for an equilateral area of an equilateral triangle?
Root 3 by 4 a square.
Very good. Root 3 by 4 a square is equal to 25. Then what is a? Root 3 by 4 a square is equal to 25 root 3. So root 3 cancels. A square equal to 25 into 4, that is 100. So what is a?
10.
10. So what is the perimeter?
30 centimeters,
Very
sir.
good. Equilateral perimeter of equilateral triangle is add all the three sides. One side is 10. So three sides is 30. So how did we get 10? Because the area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square is equal to 25 root 3 on the other side of the equation. So root 3 cancels. So root 3 by 4 is equal to 25. So root 3 by 4 is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. Sorry, yes, yeah, root 3 cancels. A square by 4 is equal to 25. A square equal to 25 into 4, that is equal to 100. So A is equal to 10. That is what we found. Very good, fantastic. So not difficult. Okay, this one let me. Yeah, 106. Can you read? One of you.
If the ratio of the surface areas of two cubes is 16 is to 36, then the ratio of their sides will be.
Okay, if the ratio of the surface areas of two cubes is 16 is to 36, how many surface area is there in a cube? कितना surface है cube में? How many surface? Huh? So you do this. I'll just join you in 1 minute. You do this. Take your own time. Need not be in a hurry, but do it on your own. So how many surfaces are there for a cube? How many surfaces are there for a cube?
6.
6 surface.
sir.
Okay, the ratio of surface areas of two cubes is 16 is to 36. So let us say this is 16 and 36. Let us say like that. So surface area of there are six surface. So what is the area of one side? 16 by 6 and 36 by 6. Am I correct? 16 by 6 and 36 by 6. What the ratio of their side? So area
Yes,
of the
sir.
yes. Soluma, yes. So now from that you have to find the ratio of the sides. Find out. You find yourself. You can find. So now 16 is to
2 is to
36.
3, sir.
Huh? What is the answer?
2 is to 3,
2
sir.
is to 3 is right answer. You need not even calculate because they are giving surface area. They are asking side. Surface area is the square of the side. Okay. So 16 is to 36. You take a square root. What will happen? 4 is to 9. But then you have to what two cubes in the ratio of their sides is. So 2 is to 9, no, sorry, 4 is to 9. Is if you simplify it is 4 is to 9 and take the root of that, root of 4 and is 2, root of 9 is 3. So 2 is to 3 is the answer. So you can calculate also, but then not necessary. Just by looking at you can now you simplify the given for 16 is to 36. If you simplify that you get 4 is to 9 and take square root of both the sides. So 2 is to 3. Okay, go to question this one. Can you do it 107? Do it in a piece of paper.
One upon one plus sin theta plus one upon one minus sin theta is equal to question mark.
Yeah. So what is the answer? I got it. So the LCM is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Keep it like that. And that is the denominator. The numerator, what you will get? 1 minus sin theta plus 1 plus sin theta. Sin theta will cancel. So in the numerator, you will get 2. Nietzsche, what you will get? On the denominator, you will get 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta is how much? 1 minus sin square theta equal to
Square theta.
cos square theta. So 2 by cos square theta. So that will be equal to, that is what? 2 by cos square theta is equal to 2 secant square theta.
Secant square.
Yeah, because 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta. Okay, understood? All of you, please. Okay, go to question number 108. Have you understood 107? I think people are not opening their mouth. I'm not sure whether you have understood or not. If you have, but it's easy only. If you have done some small trigonometry, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. That you should know. That is the formula you should know. If you know that formula, you will get the answer. Okay. Go to 108. 107 and 108. Both you can, 108 you do it. I will join in 1 minute. So, given that sin A equal to half, cos B equal to 1 by root.
75 degrees, sir.
How do you get it?
So sine A is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 30 degree of sine, and 1 by root 2 is 60 degree of cos. Sorry, 45 degree of cos.
Hmm. So
45
75. Okay. So A is 30, B is 45. So if you add angle, A is 30 degree, B is 45 degree, because he said sine 30 is 1 by 2. If you draw a right angle triangle, and one side is 90 degree, the other angle is 60 and other angle is 30. So the side opposite 30 will be kept as 1. Side opposite 60 is root 3 and side opposite 90 is 2. So you can calculate like that. Similarly, another thing is here, another right angle triangle, one is 90 degree, the other two are 45, 45. So that will be root 2, 1. No, sorry, 1, root 2. So that will be cos 45 will be 1 by root 2. So A is 30, B is 45. If we add together, that comes to 75 degree. Fantastic. Is there any other way? Is there any other way? There are many other ways, but they're all very difficult. This is the easiest way. Okay, go to question 109. If 5 tan theta equal to 4, then the value of 5 tan theta equal to 4. I got it. You do it. Divide all the 4 terms by cos theta. 5 sin theta divided by cos theta is what? Sin theta by cos theta is equal to 5 sin theta divided by cos theta. How much you will get? What do you get? 5 sin theta is on the numerator you have one 5 sin theta.
5 tan theta.
5 tan theta is what is the value they have given?
4.
4. So that is the value is 4. Next one is 4 cos theta divided by cos theta is how much? 4 cos theta divided by cos theta. Cos theta cancels. So that is 4. So 4 minus 4 is equal to how much?
0.
0. If
0.
it is 0, then the answer is also 0. You need not even look at the denominator. Denominator you need not look at. In the numerator, if we get 0, irrespective of whatever be the value of denominator, no problem, it will be 0 only. Okay. 110. I don't know how to do this. Can you do it this? Sin A and sin B, sin A plus B equal to 1. For which angle you will get sin theta is equal to 1? What is the angle?
90.
So A plus B is 90. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 90. Okay. So you work. Then next one is for which cos theta you get root 3 by 2?
30.
30. So 30 has to be. So you find out the value. I mean, in the options, if you add, you should get 90. If you minus, you'll get 30. What is the option? If you add those two angles, you should get 90. If you minus one from the other, you should get 30. What is the answer?
Third option.
Third option. So that is the answer. That is 60 and 30 is the third option. Okay. Okay. Next. 1 minute. I'll make it smaller. Or I'll make it big. Yes. Maybe a little small. Which statement is true? Can you read? Rakshan, can you read?
A triangle can have two right angles,
Is it correct or not?
each
No. Is it correct or not?
false.
Huh?
False.
Why? Why do you say so?
Sir, triangle
Sir, it can
contains
only have
three
one right
angles.
angle.
Yeah, three angle put together is 180. So two angle is 180 means third angle has to be 0. That is not possible. Okay. So that is false. Okay. Next.
Each angle of triangle can be less than 60.
Hmm.
False.
Why do you say so?
Because three angles of the equilateral triangle consist of 60 angles each.
Yeah.
Each of the angles of a triangle can be greater than 60. False.
Each angle of a triangle can be greater than 60. That is also false. Now, if it is all 65, 65, 65, then it becomes 195. That is out. The other one is if it is 55, 55, 55. All put, if you add all these things, how much you are getting? Only 165. That's also out. Fourth one.
Each of the angles of triangle can be equal to 60. True.
Yeah, that is called equilateral triangle.
True.
In fact, the fourth one you need not even, or if you just have a glance before doing 1, 2, 3, 4, and you see the fourth one is the right answer, then you can put that is true and then go to next question. You need not try with 1, 2, 3, and then find 4. Fourth one, if you are able to say that it is true, then you can. Okay, next. Okay, we'll go to next question. 112. Hmm. Can anybody read other than Rakshan? Let somebody read.
If the diagonals of a rhombus are 18 centimeter and 24 centimeter, then its side is.
If diagonal of a rhombus are 18 centimeter and 24 centimeter, then its side is. See, rhombus, there two diagonals are there and it bisects each other. It means the angle of that bisection is 90 degree. So, and if you bisect it, it will make four triangles, isn't it? Four small triangles. So if in that one of the small triangle, one side will be how much and another side will be how much? I'll show you rhombus. 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 This is rhombus. Okay, diagonals. See, this is diagonal. This is see this picture. This picture. You see, this is one diagonal. This is another diagonal. It bisects each other. That is, it cuts 90 degree. They say this is 24. This is 18. So this will be 12. This will be 9. So this triangle. They take this triangle. This is 12. This is 9. Okay.
The answer could be answer 5.
What is it? Where did it go? Wait, I will take that picture again. This one. Picture, why this? See, this is 24 means half of thing is 12. This is 18 means half of 9. So this is 9, this is 12. So what will be this side? This is a right angle triangle. 9 and 12. Kitna hai this one? Pythagoras theorem. This is 9, this is 12. What will be this? Hypotenuse will be how much? The square of
Height
huh?
5 centimeter.
5. No, this is 9.
It's 5 centimeter.
Huh? What is that? This is 9. This is 12.
So the answer is 5 centimeter.
5 is wrong. How we will get 5?
15.
15 centimeter. Why you are saying 5?
15.
Answer may 5 nahi hai. Answer in the answer 5 is not given. So it is 15 centimeter. Because on the one side is 9, other side is 12. So 9 square is 81. 12 square is 144. If you add this, you are getting 225. 225 ka root is 15. So 15 is the answer. Understood? Yeah. The last question.
Yes, sir.
Which of the following numbers will completely divide 4 power 61? They have given how many? 4 numbers, 3, 10, 11, 13. Which number will divide that number? Whatever you get, 4 to the power 61, 4 to the power 62, plus 4 to the power 62, plus 4 to the power 63, plus 4 to the power 64. How do we do it? This is no, it's not quite possible to find 4 power 6 to the power 61. What is 4 power 1? You tell me. 4 power 1 कितना है?
4. 4.
4 power 2?
16.
4 power 3? 4 power 3?
64.
4 power 4?
64.
4 power 4. I've gone to the next one.
256.
So if you look at
256.
4, 16, 64, 26. You look at the last digit, it is 4, then 6. Again it is 4, again 6. 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6, like that it will continue. So 4 power 61, what will be the last digit? 4 power 61, what will be the last digit? Unit digit.
4.
4. 4 power 62, what will be the last digit? 4 power 62?
6.
6. The other one is again 4. Another one
6.
6. So if you add 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6, how much you are getting? 20.
20.
20, if you get 20, that is the last digit 0. If last digit 0, which number, given the 4 numbers, which number will divide that number?
10.
10. 10 is the answer. Like that only you can say.
10.
Yes, 10 is the answer. So hopefully you have all understood, I believe. I don't know whether you have understood. Hopefully you have understood. Good. We will meet again in the next class with some other subject. Okay. Any doubts you can put in the WhatsApp group. We will try to answer there. So, is it okay with Aditi? Are you with us? Are you able to understand? Ashrita, Aditi,
Yes, sir.
Mahendra Kumar, Rakshan, Sachin Patel, Srinidhi, Vanita, all of you, are you with us? In case you have any doubt, you send it by in the WhatsApp. Thank you. Okay, we'll close at this.